Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best air compressor hoses on Amazon. An air compressor is almost useless without a high-quality hose. It helps you direct the compressed air to fill the rubber tubing in your tires or clean dust from your spokes. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Flexzilla Air Hose. The Flexzilla Air Hose is a well-engineered hose that offers all-weather flexibility. It works well under a temperature range of -40 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and it remains flexible even in sub-zero temperatures. The unit is made of hybrid polymers with zero memory that won't kink under pressure and lays flat easily without coiling. It has a maximum working pressure of 300 psi and only weighs 5 pounds. Flexzilla is an extremely durable hybrid air hose, and each end is reinforced with crush-resistant aircraft-grade aluminum connectors with bend restrictors. The bend restrictors reduce wear and tear to prolong the life of the hose. It also features an abrasion-resistant outer cover. The unit can be used in a home garage, automotive shop, and professional job sites. However, the coil is too lightweight, which makes it difficult to coil the hose without bending or twisting it. Number 2. Plus and Edelman Amphilo Air Hose. The Plus and Edelman Amphilo Air Hose is a flexible and smooth 25-foot polyurethane air hose. It's designed with a non-marring finish that doesn't scratch or leave paint marks on the surface it rests on. The hose is suitable for year-round use since it works well within a temperature range of -30 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit offers a maximum working pressure of 300 psi and a 1200 psi burst pressure. The hose has a male 1/4-inch NPT end connection featuring swiveling fittings that limit twisting during low-pressure operation. The body maintains a pigtail style that automatically recoils after use. It also doesn't lose coil memory. Lastly, the Amphilo air hose is protected from corrosion, UV radiation, static electricity, and abrasions. However, it's not the best for handling numerous tasks where you have to switch to another tool. You may have to constantly hold onto the hose to keep it from recoiling to a smaller size. Moreover, it may not provide an airtight seal with some air compressor models. Number 3. Yutu Hybrid Air Hose 25 feet. The Yutu lightweight air compressor hoses have emerged as a top choice among professionals and enthusiasts alike. With their remarkable all-weather flexibility, robust construction, and user-friendly features, these hoses offer an unparalleled level of convenience and reliability. These hoses are designed to maintain their flexibility even in extreme temperatures, ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're working in freezing winter conditions or scorching summer heat, these hoses won't stiffen or kink, ensuring unhindered airflow and ease of use. And the 1/4-inch industrial quick coupler and plug included with the hoses facilitate hassle-free connections to air compressors and pneumatic tools. With these thoughtful design elements, users can save time and effort while enjoying seamless operation. The smooth outer cover ensures reduced friction, enabling efficient airflow for optimal tool performance. Number 4. Romij 50 feet Polyurethane Air Hose. These air compressor hoses are built to withstand the demands of rigorous work environments. Constructed from high-quality polyurethane, these hoses are remarkably durable and resistant to abrasion, punctures, and kinks. This robust composition ensures longevity, allowing users to tackle tough jobs with confidence. Whether you're using them in a professional setting or for personal projects, these hoses are engineered to deliver consistent performance over an extended period. These hoses maintain their flexibility even in low temperatures, ensuring easy handling and maneuverability. The addition of bend restrictors on both ends prevents kinks and tangles, allowing for smooth operation and hassle-free use. This user-friendly design feature saves valuable time and effort, enabling users to focus on their tasks without interruptions. With a working pressure of 300 psi and a burst pressure of 900 psi, these hoses can handle demanding tasks effortlessly. Number 5. Master Airbrush Nylon Braided Hose. The Master Airbrush hose is a nylon braided option with a pressure rating of 250 psi. The hose is 10 feet long, lightweight, and sturdy. It is resistant to kinks and tears for most of its life. It's largely recommended for mini air compressors and is ideal for working in confined spaces. Unlike most hoses, this option is fitted with 1/8-inch BSP, British standard pipe, female connectors on both ends to make it easy to connect from either side. It's also designed with an inline moisture trap to remove moisture from the airflow. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.